Most people think a will means their family's protected. It feels responsible, right? You picture your wishes written down, your loved ones taken care of. But here's the truth. Having only a will doesn't keep your family out of court. It sends them straight there. Let's talk about what a will and a trust actually are, because both are legal documents. Both help you say what happens to your money, your home, and everything you've worked for when you're gone. They just take completely different paths to get there. A will is a written set of instructions. It names who gets what and who's in charge when you're gone. It can even name guardians for your kids. Sounds good in theory, but here's the catch. It only works after you die. That means your family has to take your will to court. A judge has to review it, approve it, and oversee the process. That's called probate, and probate in California. It's slow, expensive, and public. On average, it takes a year or more. The court fees and attorney fees are set by law, tens of thousands of dollars gone before your family sees a dime. And during that time, your assets are frozen. Your loved ones can't sell your house, they can't pay your bills, they wait while the court takes over your life's work. Now let's look at a living trust. A trust is also a legal document, but it's built to protect you and your family while you're alive and after you're gone. You set it up, you stay in charge, and you can change it anytime you want. You're the trustee while you're living, and you name someone you trust to step in later. Here's the beauty of it. When you pass away, your family doesn't go through probate. They don't need a judge's permission to do anything. Everything transfers privately, quickly, and exactly the way you planned it. And if something happens to you while you're still alive, if you get sick, injured, or can't manage things yourself, your successor trustee can step in right away to help. No court, no conservatorship, no legal nightmare. Just a smooth handoff to someone you chose. A will only speaks after you die. A living trust speaks for you the entire time. It gives your family clarity instead of confusion, privacy instead of public records, control instead of court control. And here's the best part. It's easier than most people think. You don't have to spend weeks buried in paperwork. You don't have to go to an office or stand in line at the courthouse. You can do it privately from home, with guidance every step of the way. You've spent your life building what matters. Don't let the system decide what happens next. A will might feel like enough, but a living trust is what actually protects your story, your family, and your peace of mind. If you're ready to see how it works, start your Ultimate California Living Trust Estate Plan today. It's simple, private, and done in about a week. This one decision can save your family time, money, and heartache, and give you peace of mind that no court can touch.